place that I wanted to go. It has been weeks actually that I've wanted to come here karena case COVID. So I've been delaying for quite some time, and now it has been raining since morning. So we are here at last. I'm waiting for this traffic to clear so we can enter the basement. Apa lagi ya yang kita perlu? Uh, Tengok aja dulu ya. Oh yeah, scented uh, candles. Oh, yang ini tidak ada baunya. Saya mau yang scented punya. Yeah, so this is the one without scent. And then I want the one with the scent, which is at the other side. Maybe we go to the other side and check it out there. The colors are nice. Yeah. I normally love candles, so yeah. We need to get some plates. Let's choose. Let's see what plate we can get. I'm looking for a simple plate and bowls. Some bowls. Let's see. These are carpets. These are the carpets. Tengok dulu apa ya. Uh, I need to get to the price checker. I need to check for the price of I need to check for the price of these two bowls. Hmm. Eh, nggak bisa dibaca ya. Coba sekali lagi. Is it working? Okay. Okay, let's go. This is so cute. Oh, like I can put all the shillings inside. But then I know once I have this, then I'll put all my garbage inside. So I rather not. Okay, this is cute. So let's just walk away from this before I get one of these. Yay! This is the basket that I wanted for quite some time now. Ya, tapi nggak dapat dijumpa-jumpa ya. Ini basket yang kecilnya, boleh diletak magazine. Tapi biar dulu di sini. Nanti kita datang lagi. Oh, I might need this shopping bags. I know that we have several already, but I was thinking of having this. Oh, yeah, this is the normal size. This is a smaller one, but then if I were to get this, it defeats the whole purpose because we normally purchase lots of groceries. So if I were to purchase this, the small one, then what can I put inside? I rather purchase the big one. Yang besar lagi lumayan ya digunakan. Yeah. Yeah, these are the bed sheets. Buat masa ini tidak diperlukan lagi. Sudah ada. Jom ikut saya. There's like so many things I wanted to get. I really need to control myself here because I just need to get things that are necessary. Things are so tempting here for me. Yeah, let's have a look and try not to buy if it's unnecessary. Ah, bunga hiasan. Yay, bunga again. Do we need this parcel? Never mind. Just walk first. Let's see. Uh, oh, it's so nice. It has been like weeks since I last came to IKEA. Yeah. Uh, what else? I think I need to get. Oh, this is cute. This is really cute. Yeah, I love green colors. It's a nice combination. Yay, I've been looking for this container for quite some time now. This is the bigger one. I think there is the smaller one. Yeah. There's a smaller one. I don't know. I can't see it here around. Maybe it's somewhere else. Oh, there it is. The smaller one. Pink color, yeah, with the lid. Maybe we take several and each container we get it with the lid as well. So are we gonna get different colors of this container? So this is interesting. So we have green, we have pink, and now let's get the orange one. Yeah, let me get the orange one. The orange one will be the bigger size. Is it stuck? No. Okay, here we go. Let's put this in the basket. Right, we have all the colors now. I'm a happy girl. And how about the lid? Yeah, so we bought 6 containers with 6 different colors, and now we're gonna get 6 different leads. Here we go. That's all for now. Let's push the cart to the counter. Kita sudah habis shopping. Jom kita bayar. So yeah, we are now at the self service counter, and we're gonna make payment. Okay, let's do this. Let's be independent and do this on our own. Okay. Okay, alright, so far so good. We are done tagging all this, scanning everything. This is the last of it, and here we go. We are done making payment. Everything goes to the basket. So now, you know that I have this favorite thing every time when I go to IKEA, where I love their curry puffs. There's egg in between the curry puffs, so my mom is actually lining up at the counter to get my favorite curry puffs. Do we want to get some of the sausages? No, but it's just normal sausages. It's without black pepper. I like the one with black pepper. We need some jam, so I know which one I like normally. I know strawberry. This is okay. This is another different flavor. This is strawberry. This is mixed berries. Yeah, mixed berries. I have my eye on this actually. And we have marmalade. Do we want marmalade? Marmalade? No? Yes? No. Marmalade is too sour. So I have my eye on this. So this is the one that I'm gonna get. I rather take this because raspberry. Here we go. Let's go. I think there's nothing else that we will be getting, so I think that is all. So let's just make payment first, and we can leave here and get back home. Yeah, this one. Thank you. I was walking and I saw there's two biscuits. My favorite would be the ginger biscuit. So yeah, I'm so forgetful. I should have just walked around and have a look at anymore. Okay, okay. Yeah. Just wave it, yeah. On the way out at the counter in front, I saw this chocolate. It was on sale, so I think might as well I get this for my cooking. It's really worth it. We park at B2, right? Kita parkir di B2 tadi. So, kita tunggu sebentar ya. Nanti ini B1. Kita tunggu aja. Okay. So we are done for our shopping for today. We are going to leave this IKEA mall to get to the car. It's actually very hard to speak with mask on, and I think everyone is getting it. It's hard to breathe as well. So let's just pay for our parking ticket first. Then from there we can, yeah, so now let's just get to our car, and I think we can just bring our stuff to the car instead of, yeah, our stuff are kind of manageable, so we can bring our stuff to the car. Just walk to the car. We park nearby. If you looked at this parking bay here, you can see that banyak sudah kereta ya di sini. Orang sudah mulai keluar berjalan-jalan. Temanku itu ibuku ya. Ibuku jalan-jalan bersamaku. Enggak mau diambil videonya keluar shopping. Jadi yeah. So here we are. We have arrived at our car. So let's arrange our stuff in the car. Let's see, this is 1 and 2. Let's arrange it this way. This is kind of fragile. Remember, we purchased cups and bowls and some plates. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoy keluar shopping bersama temanku.